Hello there, my name is Misal Anand. I am from IRD Mechanalysis Limited. We are the vibration people. Today I wish to talk about one of our product which is IRD7100. It's a machinery protection transmitter and it's designed to measure a variety of parameters such as vibration, axial gap, air gap, temperature, speed, eccentricity, shell expansion, differential expansion, and other process parameters. Now, before we dive into more details about IRD7100, we need to see where it finds its applications. So, IRD7100 is a versatile product which finds applications in almost all industries, be it power, steel, oil and gas, cement, mining, pharma, paper, textile, and many others. The question comes, how does this product help? So this product, it actually runs round the clock, 24/7, 365 days. And its job is to monitor and transmit vibration and other process levels to the DCS, PLC or SCADA. It also has alarm and trip relay contacts for protection of connected machine. So, how can you use it? Well, by taking the measurements on a routine basis, on a daily basis, on a real-time basis, you will be able to do preventive maintenance. When you see that the vibration level is increasing, you will be able to carry out predictive maintenance. And you will also be able to take advance action to ensure that you have increased uptime and availability for your machine. You have the spare parts and the spares available in time so that you can arrange for replacements and a shorter downtime for the machine. Now, some of the salient features of the product. So it has a bright, beautiful display which you can see out in the field even in harsh environments. The unit is protected from water ingress as well as dust ingress. Then it provides the industry standard 4 to 20 milliampere output which you can integrate with your DCS, PLC or SCADA. It also has relay contacts for every channel so that you can have alarm annunciation and trip protection for your machines. Now, what are the kind of measurements that you can do using this product? So based on the order, based on the customer requirement, the product is factory configured to measure either vibration, axial gap, air gap, temperature, speed, eccentricity, shell expansion, differential expansion or other process parameters. In these photos, you can see the different types of vibration sensors. Another photo you can see a non-contact relative shaft vibration sensor. Another photo here you can see the LVDT measuring shell expansion, and another photo of a vibration sensor measuring the vibration in the vertical direction on a gearbox in a cooling tower fan. These are some installations of IRD7100. You can have IRD7100 in a control room, in a cabinet, in blind form so that the display is in the DCS or PLC and not within the cabinet. Or you can have the display unit in the field in such wall mounted cabinets, or there's no need of a cabinet also. You can have the display unit out by itself on a wall near the machine. It's IP65 rated and you don't need to worry about dust or water ingress. When you buy IRD 7100 from us, we help you in commissioning the system. We also are able to repair and calibrate the system if needed. And if you need training on vibration, or if you need help with a vibration ongoing problem at your end, we can help you in that too. You can also extend the abilities of your IRD 7100 protection system by installing it along with Oliver. Oliver stands for Online Investigation of Vibration in Equipment and Rotary Machines. By Oliver, you can do spectrum analysis, so you can try to find out the root cause of any vibration problem. You can also view certain plots like waterfall plots, cascade plots, orbit plots, and many more plots. So by default, we sell IRD 7100 MPT for monitoring and protection purpose, but some of our customers who ask for software that can do trending, then plots, and help in analysis, for them we suggest Oliver separately. So please feel free to reach out to us if you need such a system for your project, for your plant, and we shall be happy to support you.